Hey guys, today we're going to be putting some in-channel vent shades on my pickup. These are auto vent shades. They're supposed to be pretty good stuff. I had them on my truck before I painted it. I had them on the surface to stick on. They done good for a while until the adhesive started leaking. I mean, they last for years, but hey, and these become brittle over the years. They've probably been on the truck 15 years or longer. Probably 20 years. But we're going to try some in-channel. We're going to see if these are any better. Man, them things are flimsy. Hey, you're supposed to take a alcohol pad that's supplied with it. I done cleaned the inside of the channel with 409. Now we're going to go back over it with this alcohol prep pad they sent with it. And it's cleaning it up pretty good, I guess. Man, that's dirty. And you're supposed to remove, it said remove about 2 inches from each end. And then you're supposed to start the other. Man, these things feel cheap. I guess they're good. They're not as thick as the last ones I had. And you're supposed to start the front first. Supposed to start the front first here. And once you get them in place, remove your adhesive, and then roll your window up. It says to leave your window up for 24 hours to let the adhesive set up. They actually look good once you get them on the vehicle. And they match the front. I got a hood deflector, hood protector, whatever you call it. I didn't video this. This is pretty much straightforward. Made by the same people. Auto vent shades. You wouldn't think these would be very dirty. Cleaned them with 409 with bleach, but evidently that wasn't good enough. Man, that's dirty. We should be good to go. I think they make the vehicle look better, and you can leave your windows cracked a little bit, give you some air when it's raining. Hey guys, thanks for watching.